Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn the importance of a background music. Why the background musics are very important. Because with the help of the background music, the audience can decide which type of feelings are there in the video. Like it is a happy video or sad video. Your background music can decide it. Firstly, we are going to know how can we download any kind of background music and sound effects for absolutely free. And this is the best website to download the background musics and sound effects. So let's open our Chrome browser, come to the Google and search for YouTube audio library and click on the first link. And here you can see guys, here plenty of background musics are present in the YouTube audio library. You can download any kind of your background musics from this site. Here you see, here it is the musics, here it is sound effects. So if you want to download the sound effects, you can search it by here. And here it is start. So firstly we are going to see the musics. Like if you are making a motivational video, for example you can search it as motivational music or you can search it as motivational, and here it is the results. Let's play it. Here you can see guys, many background musics are present. Here many moods are there like happy musics, angry musics, bright musics. Many musics are there. Guys, for example, you want more musics. You saw this page and if you want to more musics, then you can simply go to this next page. And here you see, here many musics are there. Guys, here you see license type. You don't have to provide any credit to the owner. Like here you see, if you mouse hover on this license type, here you see no attribution required. This means you don't have to give any credit to the owner. And guys, one more license is there, that is attribution required. If you click on these three lines, that is filter, here you see attribution not required and attribution required. Attribution not required means you don't have to give any credit to the owner, and if the attribution is required, then you have to give a link or you have to give a credit to the owner. Just I will simply click on this attribution required. Here you see the license type as CC. It means you have to give the credit to the owner. Like in order to give the credit, you all you need to do is you have to click on this view details and copy the link. Wherever you want to use this, you have to give the attribution in the description or you can give in the comment box. Copy the link and click on the done button. Guys, in order to download this music, you have to come to this download option. Guys, one more time I will show you. Here you see license type. If the YouTube icon is displaying in front of you, this means you don't have to give any attribution. If this is displaying like CC, then you have to give the attribution. In order to download this music, you have to hover on this and click on this download button. Your download will be started. And guys, one more way is, here you see, here it is a download option. You can download it from here. And if you want to keep into the favorites, you can add a star, and here you see, here it is starred music. All the music you have starred, it will come in the favorites as you can see here. And the next section is guys, sound effects. So you can search it here, like I am searching as train. Here you see, if you play here, as you can see here guys, we have searched it for train and the sound effect is coming of train only. If you want to download it, you can download from here, or if you want to see the attribution is required or not, then you can hover on this YouTube icon and here you see no attribution required. And guys, in these three lines you can add a filter like what category you want, like duration, track title. For example, I will click on this category option and here you see many sound effects are there. If you click on this animal checkbox, then all the animals sound effects will be coming. Here many sound effects are there. You can explore it and apply it. Here you see. Let's play it. Guys, in order to download it, you have to only click on this download button, and to see the attribution you have to hover on this YouTube icon, and here you see no attribution required. So guys, this is the way how you can download the musics and sound effects. Let's navigate to the downloads, and here you see there are two background musics. Guys, in order to add the background music or sound effect into the Filmora, we need to open Filmora. Let's create a new project. Guys, I will make the size as small. I will keep it here. Guys, in order to add a background music, you have to select this and drag it into the import media section. And here you see our background musics and sound effects have imported successfully. Guys, in order to add a background music, all you need to do is you have to select it and you have to drag it into the timeline. Guys, if you want to make this timeline as small, then you have to press the keyboard button Control, then you have to scroll the mouse wheel. Here you see our timeline is becoming small, and if you want to fit this window, then you can simply click on this fit to window and the audio will be fitted as the timeline. Guys, I have showed you in the previous lecture, that is, this is the audio track and this is the video track. Guys, if you want to mute this, then you can simply click on this mute option. And if I play the video, see, nothing voice is coming because we have muted this. Let's unmute it. Guys, let's add a video into this video track. Let's take a video from the stock media and drag it into the timeline. And here it is, keep project setting and match to media. Guys, if you want to select from this both of this option, then whichever the higher quality is there, you can select it. Like this is 25 fps and this is 29.9 fps, but this has fps high. Let's select it. You can add a video into the upper side and you can play the background music. Here you see. If you want to go to this last side, then you can simply press the arrow key as down and this will come at the end. Simply split it and delete it. Let's play it. Guys, if you want to add a sound effect also, then you have to go to this media option only. For example, I am adding these two sound effects. Let's add it into this timeline. Drag it into the timeline. Cut it. Guys, this is the way how you can download the background musics and sound effects. Hope you have got an idea how to download the musics and sound effects and how to add into the timeline. Guys, try to download the musics and sound effects from the YouTube audio library and try to add into the Filmora, and you can explore it which type of musics and sound effects you want, and according to that only you have to download it. So guys, that's it for this lecture and I will meet you in our next lecture.